Are you tired of fumbling for cash or swiping multiple cards, wondering if your preferred payment method will be accepted? Especially when you're out and about in Southeast Asia, the question often boils down to one thing: is GrabPay accepted everywhere? It's a fantastic question, and one that many of us who rely on the convenience of digital wallets have pondered. GrabPay has become synonymous with ease and efficiency for millions. Born from the ride-hailing giant Grab, it quickly expanded beyond just paying for your rides, transforming into a comprehensive digital wallet ecosystem. From food delivery to online shopping, and increasingly, in brick-and-mortar stores, GrabPay has woven itself into the fabric of daily transactions across the region. Its integration with a super app like Grab means you can book a ride, order dinner, and then pay for your groceries all from the same platform, using the same digital wallet. This seamless experience is undoubtedly one of its biggest draws. So, back to our central question: is it accepted everywhere? The short answer is, not quite everywhere, but it's getting remarkably close in many key markets. Let's break it down. In countries like Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines, GrabPay enjoys widespread acceptance. You'll find it at major retail chains, supermarkets, convenience stores, and a rapidly growing number of smaller merchants, hawker centers, and even wet markets. The convenience factor for both consumers and vendors is a significant driver of this adoption. For businesses, accepting GrabPay means faster transactions, reduced cash handling, and access to Grab's extensive user base. For consumers, it means earning Grab Rewards points, enjoying exclusive discounts, and tracking all their spending in one place. However, the definition of everywhere can be a bit tricky. While its presence is robust in urban centers and popular tourist destinations, venturing into more rural or less developed areas might see fewer GrabPay acceptance points. Some smaller, independent businesses might still operate on a cash-only basis or prefer traditional card payments. Moreover, while Grab has a strong foothold in Southeast Asia, its acceptance naturally diminishes outside of this region. So, if you're traveling to, say, Europe or North America, you won't be able to rely on GrabPay. The continuous expansion of GrabPay is impressive. They're constantly onboarding new merchants, running promotional campaigns, and even integrating with other payment networks to broaden their reach. QR code payments have played a huge role in this expansion, making it incredibly easy for even the smallest vendor to accept digital payments without needing expensive POS systems. They're also pushing innovations like Pay Later, allowing users more flexibility in their spending. In essence, while you shouldn't throw out your physical wallet entirely just yet, GrabPay is an incredibly powerful tool to have in your digital arsenal when navigating Southeast Asia. It offers a level of convenience and integration that few other payment methods can match in the region. Always keep a little cash on hand, just in case, but you'll likely find yourself reaching for your phone to pay with GrabPay more often than not. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.